20.
Hi guys, it's Riley, and I'm gonna make this video and upload it before I go to bed. Today, this video is gonna be really special because this is gonna be the rhythms using Bop It original sounds. Now I'm using my Bop It keychain for this. I don't have a professional original, although I might get one pretty soon. I don't know when, probably around next year, because I want a Bop It refresh. Well, but I don't know. So basically, what it is rhythms using Bop It original sounds, and you can use any original. However, I would kind of recommend the 2000 original because that kind of saves your score, and you need kind of your high scores for 2. And I'm going to show you 2 because I just created 2 today. So I'm going to show you the rhythms using body percussion, so that means using only my hands and legs. And then I'm actually going to and then I'm actually going to perform the rhythms using the Bop It. Okay, so the first one, I'm going to put the Bop It keychain in front of the camera so you can actually see. I'm sorry if you can't. I can't see any light around me, so I don't know what's going on. But the first one goes like this, and you need all the Bop It original sounds for this. The first one goes like this. So how you do that is, the first step is to get you need all 3 sounds, all 3 action sounds. And you only need to use 2 inputs, the twist it and the pull it. But first you need to get a score of 10 on Solo Bop. It's weird. Okay, so now it's 10. So what you need to do is you have to twist it 3 times. And then you have to pull it 3 times, but between the first and the second pull it, there's a rest. So, rest. So the rhythm actually goes like this. So, I'll show you. So it's very easy. You just twist it, and then pull it, pull it, pull it. So if you want to just grab your original Bop Its, and if you want to repeat with me, that's fine. If you don't have any, just watch. Okay? So follow along with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, ready, and 1. I'm also going to do it only 8 times. 2. 3. Sorry. 4. It goes off sync kind of easily. 5. 6. 7. And 8. Okay, now the second one, it goes like this. And the first step is to get a score of 1 on Solo Bop. And the rhythm goes, you have to twist it 5 times, and then you have to pull it 3 times. So the rhythm actually goes. So it's actually really that simple. So basically what you do is twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, pull it, pull it, pull it, and it's all quarter notes. No rests, anything. So it's really that easy. So everyone follow along with me. 3, 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, so that's 8. Okay, so those are just some of the 2 rhythms I just found today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And try out these rhythms because they're really cool. And they're just some of the basic rhythms. And tell me in the comment section if you want a rhythm using Bop It Original Sounds number 2. And then I'll make some stuff more advanced for all of you. So just a little lesson today on how to do rhythms using Bop It Original Sounds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
21.